Exactly. So this part here, you have your learning, your you're training your algorithms based on your or based on this, then you're applying it, putting the results back, and this is a way of actually feeding in batch feeding in data. Here's a way of streaming in data. The okay, complicated, but the important part is we don't need to do everything at once.
Mm-hmm.
So what we need to think about is, and that's why I try to make this not shapes
Boxes.
yeah, these boxes around, we need to split it up, then it gets simpler. Like, what are we going to do? Are we going to just start by are we going to start by building APIs, building lambda functions behind it, building up a kinesis, and then foregrade and docker, and basically writing data into the data warehouse? Or are we starting with like writing data into S3? Just you copy the stuff in, and then you process it, and you clean it a bit and put it into the warehouse. And from then you're doing analytics on it.